In this video, we will show you how to replace your oil pressure switch on this Ford Fusion with a 3.0 liter engine. This will be located along the lower forward side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To gain access to the oil pressure switch, we're going to make our way safely underneath the front of the vehicle. If you were to look just above your AC compressor, along where your engine oil dipstick is, you're going to find the oil pressure switch. That switch will have an electrical connector on it. Go ahead and squeeze in on the locking tab and pull it out of place. Along the front of the engine, to remove your engine oil filter, we'll be using a large band wrench for this. Go ahead and turn this counterclockwise to remove it. Engine oil will come out of here. Make sure you have your collection bucket under this area. Let's clean up this area real quick. With the engine oil filter out of the way, we have a clear view of our oil pressure switch. To remove this, you could use a 21mm or adjustable pliers. Before we do so, have a quick look at it. You'll find that part of the threaded area is still sticking up and out of the engine. When we go to put in a new sensor, we only need to have it in approximately halfway. There it is, friend. The next thing you'll want to do is clean and inspect the mounting point. Okay, let's prepare to install our brand new oil pressure switch. When installing it, you remember when we were removing the original, it was technically only screwed in approximately halfway. So when we go to install this, we'll make sure that we get up into where the thread sealer is, but we don't necessarily need to bottom it out completely. Double check to make sure it's completely secured. Reconnect your electrical connector. Press it in, listen for a click, give it a little tug to make sure it's completely secured. Before you install your oil filter, it's important to make sure you prime it with brand new oil directly in the center here. You don't need to fill it all the way up, we just want to make sure there is a little bit of oil inside there. The next thing we'll do is take a glove finger and coat that seal. Let's install the oil filter in the vehicle. Let's take that filter and get it in place up against the engine. Bottom it out by hand, take your engine oil filter wrench and just give it a little bit extra. Clean up your mess. If you needed to add a little bit of oil, continue on adding 5W20 oil inside of this port. Just take hold of the cap, turn it counterclockwise, remove it. Reinstall the cap till it's nice and tight, close the hood, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.